Oh, it's recording! Oh, we're messed up. Don't look at me. Oh!
Recording, or is it?
It is recording. It's in 9-10 seconds. It has been recording for 12
Come
minutes.
and fix this shit.
You fix this shit. Can you not see me? I'm cut off. Hi. My name's Katie. Where? How's this gonna work?
Don't lick my face.
These definitely work.
Just record it. Woman, it is recording.
Now you can't see us. Now you can.
I can't see you.
Oh, you don't need to see.
So what are you guys talking about today?
Let's talk about some cookies.
I want some cookies.
Oh, can we go to Steak and Shake and get the owners?
Breathe in.
Okay, breathe
We'll
out.
breathe out.
That arm.
I got this.
I got a text. Where'd my phone go?
You?
From who? Lisa? What's he saying?
He's like, Jimmy told me your game's stupid. Like,
What?
and I told Jimmy that. Like, yeah, maybe.
Maybe, I don't care.
My memory's just.
It is almost 9 o'clock. Oh, no dead arm, no dead arm. I'm sorry. Okay. Ow.
Yeah, you were doing double. I can't do double, or else I'll like cut you or something. I'll cut you, bitch.
I'll cut you, man.
You know some people make bird noises like that?
Carson.
Carson alone.
I wonder how long we can record for.
Let's find out.
I want to make like 50,000 videos. All in one. Oh!
I'm surprised my parents haven't texted me to get home now.
Yeah, right. We need to print. Are we going to print this all tomorrow? We need to print for Can we just copy that for like a nickel a piece? Is that what you do? You can use the copy machine for like a nickel? Pretty sure. Wow. What are we doing? Whoa. It looks like Alex touched it, but it was actually his picture showed that. It was like bang! And oh. I can't burp, crab, Mexican. It'll taste weird and it'll make me want to go, What? No wonder I'm doing. Doesn't it tickle? Okay, we're done. We're done. Where's Katie when I need her?
We should do that one time where we were like, where's Beck when I need her collar? I got here as fast as I can burst through.
Are you here yet?
Oh, hi.
How you doing?
How you doing?
Girl.
What's like, girl?
Get at me, bro. Yeah, Herbie, get at me. Come towards me now. Get at me. Why are we so redonkulous? Oh, yeah, bitch.
I love the bitch on my YouTube. Well, we said the F word. And
We
almost
did?
the N word.
Ooh. That would have been. Dude, oh my god, wait. Looks like I'm not wearing 2 earrings. Oh, wait. Wrong side. This look, ready? Wait, hold on. Wait. Look. See? Shiny knot. Bang! I'm just a
Come at me, bro.
I'm just a Bieber.
Just do it, bro.
You just did Justin Bieber thing.
Those my things? What are those? They're all in my things.
Why did you get them cut shorter?
Because I think they're supposed to be over there. I don't like the way it's like colored there.
Right?
Yeah.
Just let them grow out. You can try right there too.
Oh, that's cute. Very nice. Oh, I think I'm doing my morning without.
I should probably take you home. Right?
Right?
Isn't it 8:30? It is 8:30. I still have to do math homework. A big packet.
I have like,
So what do you call this project? The CD works, right?
yeah.
Okay. We'll just copy it to you. We'll go second now. Okay. Let's go back to 30th week. Dang, 60 copies. Okay. Ow!
I didn't even do anything.
I'm just going right to Who is the boss now? Not me. Pieces. Dudes.